National Weather Service in La Crosse has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Alamance County in northeast Iowa, northwestern Clayton County in northeast Iowa, northern Fayette County in northeast Iowa, southeastern Winneshiek County in northeast Iowa until 5:30 p.m. At 4:51 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm located near Douglas, or near West Union, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. This storm can produce quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Ocean and Claremont around 5 p.m., Postville and Cospollyon around 5:05 p.m., Frankville around 5:10 p.m., Waukon around 5:15 p.m. If you are in the path of this storm, prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Thursday evening for southeast Minnesota and western Wisconsin. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa: Alamance, Clayton, Fayette, and Winneshiek. A severe thunderstorm